Lanka, India, Iran, Nepal, Bhutan, and the Maldives rose 20.02% to $4.34 billion United States dollars in July-June 2023 to 24.
So a number of steps are being taken. For example, the Prime Minister's primary purpose of coming to China was also to encourage Chinese investments. So that's why we organized a business conference in Shenzhen. We also organized several meetings of the Prime Minister with Chinese enterprises. So this is one aspect of it. The other aspect of it is that both Pakistan and China were other forums, so there were a number of Pakistani companies there. Through these visits, through these participation or organization of such expos and fairs, and then also organizing or creating opportunities for business to business interactions or meetings, matchmaking, but also providing incentives to each sector, for example, tax exemptions or exemptions from duties, special tax holidays, creating special economic zone, technology zones, or export processing zone. So all in all, through these measures, we hope to attract more Chinese investments in these 13 sectors. Through these measures, I think Pakistan-China economic, trade and investment cooperation can go to new heights.
Pakistan's exporters to $30.645 billion during the fiscal year 2023 to 24 compared to $27.724 billion in the corresponding period of 2022-23.
Is also another area, but medical or pharmaceutical sector. So all in all, I think it is both the traditional manufacturing, but also the new what we can call productive forces or new technologies, green, digital, innovation-led technologies. So this is where we are focused on.
The Yangtze River Delta, a vibrant economic region spanning Shanghai and the provinces of Jiangsu, Zhejiang, and Anhui, has emerged as a leading force in China's industrial innovation and economic development, with an area of approximately 358,000 square kilometers. The region contributes nearly a quarter of China's GDP and over one-third of the country's total foreign trade, demonstrating its strategic importance in the national economy. The State Bank of Pakistan (SBP) introduced new measures to enhance IT exports by allowing export-oriented IT companies to acquire shareholding in foreign entities. And
so, as ambassador of Pakistan to China, I think it is my first and foremost duty to further strengthen the multi-dimensional ties and relationship that we have, from the diplomatic, political, economic, trade, culture, science and technology, and many other areas, people-to-people contacts. What we plan to do is to build on what my predecessors or Pakistan Embassy in Beijing has already done. So our special emphasis is to inform and encourage Pakistani business people to come to China and participate actively, bring their products, do matchmaking, but also organize conferences, investment promotion conferences, and also encourage Chinese businesses and enterprises to go to Pakistan and participate in expos and fairs. We are also organizing, for example, last month we organized a Pakistan food festival in Chengdu. So we introduced spicy food, 24 Pakistani dishes. So this went on for 2 weeks. This year we're also planning a Pakistan Fashion Week in Shanghai, in fact, on the sidelines of the International Fashion Expo. We are also planning to organize a visit of tour operators from China to Pakistan. So all in all, it is the economic side, but also the cultural side, people-to-people context that we are focusing on. But equally important is to pay a lot of attention. That's my priority also, to add more value to the second phase of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, which is the signature project of the Belt and Road Initiative. So as we move into the second phase, our priority is to focus on industrial cooperation, manufacturing, also to promote investment-led growth. So Chinese investments leading to growth in our exports, so through joint ventures in these 13 sectors that I mentioned before. So this would be some of the priority areas for us as an embassy, but also for our two countries going forward. I also participated in the China-South Asia Cooperation Forum. This was more about the regional cooperation opportunities and challenges. I also participated in the China-South Asia Business Forum, where again Pakistan was the rotating chair this year. So our Federation of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and Industry was in the lead, and they participated and organized together with the Yunnan Commerce Bureau and SAARC Chamber of Commerce and Industry, this business forum. So there were a lot of other activities. So all in all, I think this was a concrete example of China promoting regional cooperation with an important region, and there were many dignitaries which had come from these countries. For example, the Speaker of Nepal Parliament, the Deputy Prime Minister, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Myanmar, and also from several countries. So I was very happy and very honored to represent Pakistan at this important expo.